And we're live. Quite slow today, apparently. I hope it doesn't affect the audio much, but let's see.
Audio is fine. Audio seems good.
Okay, so welcome you guys to the Scrum, to the Pacific Rim US Scrum. Today here it's me, João, and Patrick. Sorry about yesterday, but I was caught on at work and I was not able to host the Scrum. But let's see. So tell us, Patrick, what have you been doing?
Okay, so I added waffle items for all the remaining models and associated join tables. So I think we've got everything covered in terms of waffle issues at this point. I've reviewed some PRs, of course, had a peering session, pair programming session, excuse me, yesterday with Vijaya. I assigned 3 issues to myself and I delivered 3 of them, one of which has been merged. The other one is the agency person model. And then the last one is added the field, the administrator field to the user model. And you commented that we don't need to do that because can will take care of that for us. I'm not familiar with that gem and I'm not sure how that would work. So how does can provide that capability for us? Excuse me.
I have no clue.
Okay, so.
But as can is a gem that can handle roles and everything.
Mm-hmm.
I was thinking maybe instead of having just a tick there for the user, to be administrator or not, we might want to set a bunch of rules and roles that
Mm-hmm.
that will allow someone to be the administrator. This being said, I think we need to look into can to see if it provides this in an easy way or not, and only then we can see the administration part. Because if can provide this all, we will solve a bunch of problems. And the thing is, a simple administrator field in the user table, I think is not going to cut, because we need an administrator. We need to have some sort of super user that can access every agency or something like that, and we'll have to have administrators internally to each agency that will do the admin on that agency. And I thought, as we have roles like a job seeker and like a job developer and everything, we can, I believe with we can create some sort of rules that allow us to while we are searching for people, we can just select them. I don't know. I need to look into can.
Yeah, I mean, the reality is administrator is just one role type of many that we need.
Yeah.
I was just thinking, we have job developer, case manager, things like that roles. We'll have that in the agency roles table. We'll also have company roles. And I thought for just the system administrator, we could stick that field in the user table, but I think it makes more sense to see what can requires, just like we did with devise in the user table. One thing I wanted to ask you, when you merged my PR today, did you actually close that in Waffle? You did. So it didn't automatically close, even though I put in the correct number and all that stuff.
Yep.
All right, so that's not working then.
Apparently not. I don't know why, but apparently not. It's not working.
Yeah, that's too bad.
Or we are doing it wrong. I don't know, because you placed it in the comments. I changed the PR message to match the URL for it. So I don't know. It is strange because I believe workflow. Maybe the wiki here. How does Waffle team use to track work automatically?
You looking up that blog?
Yeah, I'm trying to look into this page to see what they say. Can I move issues across columns automatically? Yes, you can.
Is that one posted by that Ashley person, or is this another one?
I'm just looking at the generic wiki. I don't remember
Oh, I see. Okay.
the link itself.
Okay. Yeah, I see.
You can use pull request to move an issue card and its connected PR to collaborator PR start column setting.
So we have to use GitHub's closing keywords, fixes, closes, resolved. Maybe we should look at that link there, referenced here. I bet we go to that other blog posting.
Here?
Yeah.
Closing issue via commit message.
Yeah.
To close an issue in the same rep, use one of the keywords. Oh, maybe we are keywords for closing issues. Close, closes, closed, fix, fixes, fixed, resolve, resolves, resolved. I think we match some of these words.
I've been using closes, so yeah, absolutely.
It's here. Basically, it should work. It says to close an issue in another rep, use username, rep, issue number.
You know, I haven't done verbatim. I've used a pound dash issue number. So maybe just pound issue number without a dash is what we need to do. Maybe they need that explicitly.
I don't know. We might try this and see if it closes. But the thing it says here is that maybe the problem is the configuration itself. Because you can use pull requests to issue card and it's connected PR to your collaborator PR start column. You can create a column called needs review. Needs review. Each all issues, and they're connected PRs automatically to using waffle pull.
Well, let's see now.
Maybe it's a configuration problem.
If you look at my remaining PR, the agency person, my PR, the agency person one that's not been merged yet, I have the comment in there exactly as they described in that page we were just looking at. So I have a pound 76 with no dash or anything.
Yeah. Okay, let me just review it very quickly, see what happens.
Yep.
That's what I was doing as here, agency person. It's this table. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 connections.
Yep.
It says user, belongs to an agency, belongs to an address, has and belongs to many. roles. Oh, there's a connection here as well. That is hidden. Okay. Right? Between agency people and agency people, agency roles? Yeah.
Yep.
Yep. Jobs, specialties, job categories. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So this doesn't have anything. This job, just address ID, agency ID, and ID, agency and address. Okay. Test belongs to many. Yeah, I'm okay with that. So let's merge it. Let's see what they say here. You can include keywords in your commit message to automatically. So basically, this is in the commit message. So I shouldn't do anything here. I'll just leave it agency first. I'll merge. Okay.
Slide.
It doesn't look good because it removed in progress from this one. It's no longer in progress. But the waffle one
still there. Still in
is
progress.
76.
76, yeah. Shoot.
About on waffle team, we have created a column called needs review, which all issues and their connected PRs get automatically moved to using waffle pool magic. Maybe if I do this and come to columns and create a new column here. PR created review. There is no label for this, which is nice. So it's not going to work. Let me create a label here. Labels. A label needs review. Here. Here. What? Okay. They say to move, they have a collaborator PR start column. Connect PRs automatically to move issues in there. Okay, so let's see what happens.
Okay.
Now, is there a save button? Yeah, here. Back to the board. This, we have a score. Let's move yours.
Still in progress.
Yeah. Let's move the PR ones to this place. We have multiple PRs. Yeah, it's 70. $70, $55, $55. The administrator
show company model number. Yeah, company
The waffle number. Oh, there it is.
So they are all in need review. Let's see how it goes. So it's not a fit. Strange. Okay. So, but okay. Let's see what happens.